Hey guys, welcome back to DevPiece. So today I'm not here to talk about a project on React, but another project called Notify, which is basically just a currency detection app for the visually impaired. We have used deep learning and Flutter in this project or app. So basically, we've been getting a lot of requests from our subscribers to put up a tutorial on this app. So we decided to do the same. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. So we have used Indian currencies in Notify. So we are putting up this tutorial so that you can make your own models using your own currencies from where you are from, whether it be from Italy, German, or whatever it be, USD, etc. Yeah, for the So for training the model, we'll be using something called the Google Teachable Machine. So Google Teachable Machine is a powerful website made by Google to create AI models for images, sounds and poses. So it's pretty simple to use. So let's just jump into now. So as you can see, I have my browser open here. You can use any browser. So I'm using Brave browser today. I'll be dropping a tutorial, video on why I'm using Brave browser later. So make sure you subscribe to the channel too for that. So let's just type in Google Teachable Machine. So yeah, I have already searched for Google Teachable Machine right now. So yeah, that's why it pops up in my suggestion. So let's just press that, and Google Teachable Machine comes up, the first link. So press that too, and yeah, over here this is the main screen of the Google Teachable Machine. So as you can see, train a computer to recognize your own images, sounds and poses. So the images feature will be the feature we'll be needing today. So let's just press on get started, and we have three options here: image project, audio project and the pose project. So right now we'll be needing the image project. So let's just press that, and here comes up a pop-up showing what you need: standard image model or an embedded image model. So embedded image model is basically used for microcontrollers, which is not what we'll be using today. We are using it for apps. So basically we need a TF Lite model today. So we'll be choosing the standard image model. So yeah, this is the screen of the image feature of the Google Teachable Machine. So it's pretty simple to use. I'll show what it does. So as you can see, there are three class sections here: the class section, the training section and the preview section. So first we'll get started with the class section. So as you can see, there are two classes here as of now, class 1 and class 2. So each class here would contain the image sets of the individual currency notes which we have today. So today I have chosen the 50 rupee note. First of all, this is an Indian rupee note, a 50 Indian rupee note. Secondly, we have the 200 rupee note, an Indian 200 rupee note. The third, we have the 500 rupee note, which is basically greenish grayish color. The 50 rupee note is a turquoise color, and the 200 rupee note is an orange color, bright orange color. So I'll be as I've told, I'll be popping it in the cards above of the demo of our app. So please do check it out. So first, what we will be needing is, we have three nodes, right? So basically we'll add a class here and rename the first class to 50, the second class to 200 and the third class to 500. Okay, so that's the three nodes we have today. So the next step is to press webcam, and immediately you can see our webcam has opened, and yeah, you can see my face over there. So what you need to do here is hold the 50 rupee note in front of the camera or the webcam and just press the record 12 seconds over here. So 1, go. Make sure you click a variety of poses of the currency note so that the model can recognize it in every shape and size. So yeah, we have 281 image models of the 50 rupee note today. So I think that will be all we'll be requiring. So next we'll go to the 200 rupee note and press record for 12 seconds. Okay. So hold it in front of the camera and make sure you get that orange color thing in, the orange color of the 200 rupee note. And yeah, okay, so that's done. So we have 284 image samples of the 200 rupee note. So next, I think that's all we will be requiring today. So 500 rupee note, we select it, we take the 500 rupee note and hold it in front of the camera like this and press record. Get the color in there. Alright, so that's done. So we have 283 images of the 500 rupee note. So that's the 3 classes today. So let's just close this and let's just train the model. Okay, so all you need to do here is just press the button, and sometimes the website will crash depending on the number of image samples you have given to the classes. So make sure you don't overburden the website. So let's just press the train model button. So let's just try. Let's just wait for it. And I'll cut here so that you don't need to wait a lot. Alright, so finally my model was built. I faced some issues with the Brave browser actually, so do switch to Google Chrome because Brave uses more processing power. So let's just try our model right now. So Google Digital Machine allows us to test our models too. So it's a pretty cool website. I certainly recommend it.
So let's just try the 50 rupee note first. So let's just show it to the camera, and immediately you can see that the 50 rupee note percentage is going really high. So if I fit into the camera, you can see that wait a bit. You can see that it's flickering at 90 to some position. Let's just try the back, and you can see that the showing 100% right now. So let's just try the 200 rupee note. So yeah, here you go, showing 100% at the 200 rupee mark, and the 500 rupee note, yeah, here you go. So it's showing, wait a minute. It does show, yeah.
100 rupee note also shows 100% or 90% or whatever it be. So yeah, that means our model is pretty well built and it's just able to classify currency notes properly. So the next step now is to export this model. So all we have to do now is just press this button and it shows in what format you need the model in. So we need TensorFlow Lite model, and what we need here is, I think all we need is the floating point. Yeah, all we need is the floating point, and what you need to do here is download my model. Press here. So let's just wait for it. And so our model has been downloaded successfully. So I show you what is in those files. So as I told you earlier, it contains two. Let's just extract right now, and yeah, here you go, convert to TF-Lite. So it contains two stuff: a .TF-Lite package, a file, that's the model, the main model, and the labels file, the .txt file. Let's just show. Yeah, here you go. The zeroth array contains the 50 rupee note classification. The first value, the second value, which is the 1 index value, shows the 200 rupees, and the second and third index value, which is 2, shows the 500 rupee of classification. So this is all. Yeah, Ashna will show you how to use the same model and the .txt file in the next video. That is how to clone the repo and build your own Notify app. So yeah, hope you like the video. Do subscribe if you liked it, and put a like on this video too, and share it to as many people as you can, because we need your support. And yeah, all the best. It's your final year project, and yeah, peace.